This is Dr. Jawar Surisetti from Jawar Circuit class. Today we are on Youth Talks, and we have with us Shaili Saha and Ayushi Jaiswal. Hi Shaili, hi Ayushi, how are you?
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
We are good.
How are you?
Okay, Shaili, what do you do? What do you study?
Sir, I'm pursuing BA Applied Psychology from MIT University, Mumbai. First year, second semester.
And what about you, Ayushi?
Sir, I am pursuing BSc Psychology, Clinical Psychology from MIT University, first year, second sem.
Same campus?
Same campus.
Okay, so what is the difference between clinical and applied psychology? Either of you can take it.
Sir, actually, personally, we both stay together, so we don't find any difference till now. Let's see what happens in next semester. We are not
Okay.
sure.
Okay. So, what about you, Shaili? Do you think it's the same?
Sir, yes, it is the same. Like if I talk about the course structure, it is same. We learn the same subjects. Like what she learns, I learns the same. In every semesters, we have options, which is named as electives. So she has the option to choose my ones, and I have the options to choose hers. If we choose the same, then there will be no
No
difference.
difference.
And
Okay.
also, MIT has two. They provide two other courses. Like there is a minor track, which has like there is lots of option. Like they
Actually, we have dual degree course. So the second degree what we are pursuing is business management. Matlab they will provide two degrees with psychology we'll get one more degree. So the another degree we are going to have it of business management.
Okay.
Like we have taken
Okay.
that as another subject.
Okay.
And another one is Spanish. Like
Okay.
they want us to
It's
learn
language.
foreign
okay.
language. So,
Okay. And are you locked down in your homes or not?
yes, we are locked down in our homes.
So, what is the loss that you are facing in terms of your education?
Sir, I guess apart from examination, we are not facing any kind of loss as we have completed our course online. Teachers have made a study in Zoom, Microsoft Teams, so I don't think we had any kind of loss.
Shaili?
So personally, same. I don't find any kind of loss, but there is only one difference that it's difficult when it is an online session to understand what they are trying to say, and yeah, we have network issues and everything, so it's quite difficult to understand. So I
Okay.
think there is a difference in learning in classroom teaching and online classes.
And what about your practicals? What do you do?
Sir, in practicals earlier we used to conduct. It is actually kind of same. Matlab, they have given us the materials. We have conducted that on our families. Matlab, we have practicals. So earlier we conducted on our, peers, but now we have conducted on our families. So it is same and same we have done in the earlier semester. We had made our what practicals we have made same. So I don't find any changes in that also. We have
Okay. Okay. Shaili, do you miss your friends in campus?
Uh, Yeah, I do miss my friends, but Ayushi Jaiswal is one of my best friends, so I don't miss much friends there.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, I do miss my campus and the daily routine, the schedule. It was fun, and now it is a monotonous routine we are living at home.
Okay. Many countries are saying that don't rely too much on China for many things. So you are also saying the same thing. Okay, I need local friends who can be with me even in case of a lockdown. So I don't need to rely on China.
In Raipur, so yeah, I can say that.
Okay. Uh, the second thing I wanted to ask is, since you are saying that you are not missing friends, is the shape of friendship going to change post COVID? Because of social distancing and all that?
For
I
me, I
don't.
don't think so.
You don't think so? कंधे पे कंधा नहीं
Yeah.
डाल पाएंगे?
Yes, but I think the important key of any relationship is communication, and I guess we both are communicating to our friends, so I don't think that anything is going to change between
I think
us.
there will be more love after
Yeah.
after meeting them for a long time, because they are saying missing you
Yes,
guys. We want
so-
to meet you as ASAP. So yeah.
Okay, so physicality of friendship is not going to come in between, you're saying. Is
Yes,
that right?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But what about boyfriends and girlfriends?
Of
Does
course,
it
there will
change?
be no difference. I don't think so. The youth is like literally following the norms that we have to maintain a social distancing. If we meet our friends, we do the hug, like
Okay.
major crowd.
Okay.
I'll tell you the
Okay.
reality. I'll not go into.
No, that's right. That's right. Acha, so least bothered. I am more. I feel emotions are more important. This is what the youth are saying, rather than the social distancing and other norms. Okay, great. What about residential universities and colleges? Do you think the demand is going to fall because parents are afraid to send their children to hostels?
Yes, I think because like my parents are already saying that we are not going to send you to college till this things end. So of course they are going to be affected, I guess.
What about you, Shaili?
Yeah, sir, same. My parents are like, yeah, we'll not send you. भले ही
My
college खुलने दो.
my parents are like कि एक साल बाद जाना बेटा, and I'm like कॉलेज मेरे लिए वेट करेगा क्या, डिग्री रखेंगे आयुषी के लिए.
Okay. So residential colleges are going to face the heat at least for a year. And what you are saying is sounded by most parents that I meet also. Acha, one more thing. Do students need more counseling during these periods because they find the future very unsure? Kya hoga kal, we don't know. So does it affect them psychologically as students of psychology? Do you think this is going to happen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think for the student mostly who are in 12th and or are in like final years, because those who are in 12th, like they have to go to their colleges. They were waiting as soon as their schools will end, they will select their subjects and go for their respective colleges. And for the final year students, they were waiting to get their jobs, but because of this, so they will also face. So I guess it is going to be affected to
Okay.
them also, and like they need counsel for that because they, I guess they will have a mental pressure or
So are you saying that you have a good career ahead?
yes.
Because because of more need of counseling,
Yes.
तुम लोग का फायदा है क्या?
But
And
I think, sir, there is a stigma in the society that in India, the people are not much going to psychologists
Yeah.
or psychiatrists for that
like there
matter.
is a taboo, like they have, like they think कि psychologist के पास सिर्फ वही जाते हैं जिनको
जो
you know
पागल है,
जो
पागल है.
पागल होते हैं. Exactly.
और सर लोगों को ये भी लगता है that it is a waste of money. We can chill, we can go to movie and just forget what we are thinking, and
Okay.
it will be better.
Okay.
सोचते हैं about psychologist is कि वो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, वो सिर्फ बात करते हैं, but there are lot many other things what
Thanks,
they
yeah.
do.
Okay. From a teacher's perspective, some teacher that you have experienced in schools, do most teachers think that they are psychologists, they know children better, they label children based on what they think is the best, or they counsel children the way they think without analyzing what the child is going through? Do you think this is right?
Yeah, sir. If I just talk about that, what they say, they are like, we know children's like you. We know how you go through. but they say everything by themselves.
Hmm.
Like, so, you know, I know how to deal with you, and you should do this and that, and this is the age of being distracted.
Okay. More dangerously, like Tare Zameen Par, they label children who are not able to write as autistic. Both easily they use these terms, which are actually very serious terms to use. Yes, Ayushi?
Yes, sir. Actually, I feel from teachers' perspective, they always think that they are right, and of course they are also because they are like elders to us and they know more. They have experience, but I think teachers should always know the students' perspective also, and their feelings also, because like that they will not share their feelings to teachers, and that will not be a good part to it. So I think teachers should always respect their feelings and their emotions and their way of thinking too.
Okay. From the perspective of the education today, what are the things that you think should not be there in the system of education, and we need to change them?
Um,
Sir, the education says what to learn, but they don't tell us how to learn. So I
Okay.
think that is one of the things which needs
the
to be
main
changed.
Okay. And anything else? Too much exam based, judgment. Is it okay?
no, I don't feel it's okay.
Okay.
Matlab,
Okay.
it's good way to assess students that how they are like doing, but I think like what I have learned in psychology, like we sit with 40 of students in a class, 40 to 50 students in a class. Different students have different problems. Like I myself has like stage fear, I guess. Like I can't go on stage and present myself, I guess. So teachers want presentations and uh, presentation extempores. So I'm not capable of doing that, but I can express, like I can express to those whom I am comfort with. So that's a not good way to judge students, I guess. There is a student who is like his mind works slow, so how can we give him time कि आपको इतने टाइम पे ही एग्जाम करना है, like पढ़ के देना है. तो मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ but वो नहीं पढ़ सकता ना, so that's not right, I guess.
Okay. What is the solution? This is the problem.
हाँ, what is the solution? Actually यही इसी पे कोई work नहीं करता है, and I have also not thought about it, so I can't.
Shaili, do you have any ideas?
Sir, I think we should we should conduct different type of exams, or like we should give them options. Like you can do this, or you can there is one more subject we learn in psychology, which is not related to psychology, but it's like value learning. They have named as ethics, environmental science. So the teacher there is like there is an internal assignment they take. So the teacher was like, you can do whatever
What
you
you are
want.
good at it.
If you're good at drawing, if you're good at poetry, if you're good at singing, if you're good at dancing, you can take any of the topics from the Sustainable Development, 17 Sustainable Development, which UN has give, and you can present anything. Like if you can even do the cleaning process, you can do the social work, but the topic should be reflected, and you can do whatsoever you want, which you are good at. So I think that's how a talent will emerge in a student. Like if they're good at something, they can express it.
Okay. Are you in agreement with the fact that after 10th, when you choose your subjects, you are supposed to take sets of maths, physics, chemistry, biology, physics, chemistry, or economics, business studies, and accountancy, or political science, sociology, and like that? Are these close knit subjects? Because it does not allow me the freedom that if I don't like physics, I can't eliminate it.
Okay.
So do you think this is a good way to do it, or is there some other way?
I guess
Some
it's a good way,
Sure.
but like if we are if we want to pursue certain things, like earlier I wanted to become a doctor, so if I say that I don't like physics and I'll not study, like I say I don't like chemistry and I won't study chemistry, I'll take another thing with biology. How will it work? Like if we see the another side of that part, I think that will not work, because when I go to college, then I have to learn everything. Like I have to learn biochemistry because it's important. So I can't say that basically, but it's a good way if students want to explore everything in their life. Like students like us, we want to explore everything, every type of activities, every type of subjects. So good for
No,
us.
no, I'll reframe my question. Uh, I'll rephrase my question. What is the use of physics in medicine? Biochemistry,
Exactly,
you
that's
said.
what I was
Yeah, tell me.
saying.
Basically, I don't
If the
know.
first
Okay.
Say. You say, I'm
yeah,
Shell.
listening,
like if
and I'll contradict your statement.
we were to pursue like medical, so I asked, there is my neighbor who is pursuing medical from Sandulal. So I asked her, what is the courses and all. So she told me that you will have only biology, you will learn anatomy, physiology, and stuff. And in one semester, you have to learn a bit of chemistry, like biochemistry. And later on there is only one chapter or one book where you have to learn a bit of physics to calculate like bps and like I don't know the technicalities, but this, so there is no physics that you learn while preparing for a competitive exam in medical. So I find it irrelevant, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong, but I find it irrelevant. If I want to pursue medical, then why to learn the subjects which are not relevant?
Okay.
See
So
that.
after your graduation, what are you proposing to do, both of you?
Sir, actually, we wanted to pursue MBA. Like, I wanted to pursue an HR, human
Okay.
relations.
That is the
And
closer. That is the closest to psychology.
yes. Like, I have done a research, so
And what about Shelly?
Sir, yeah, MBA only. I'll prepare for CAT, like I'll go for competitive exams.
Okay.
So yeah, then. And if I find in this 2 years that I'll be good at psychology and I should pursue like for the higher study like MSc, PhD, MPhil, I'll go for that, or yeah, MBA.
You can also look for civil services as an option. The IAS exam. Because
Yeah.
psychology is a very commonly chosen subject. It's a very
okay.
common.
Okay.
So I think you should be looking at it also. Anyway,
And also
that's
we have business psychology. Like I get to know a
yeah.
bit.
Yeah. So good talking to both of you. Thank you very much, and wish you best of luck for your future endeavors. And hope you can go back to college fast. Your parents would love it. No, they won't. They won't. They won't love
They
it.
would.